everybody and happy fall. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my mixed berry sea moss. Super easy, simple process, takes like 5 minutes. But first I want to talk about the sea moss that I'm going to be using. This is what it looks like, and it is sourced from St. Lucia. Many people make the mistake of buying fake sea moss. It's a very easy mistake to make, but there are some key differences. So first of all, fake sea moss is grown in large pool tanks with mostly table or synthetic salt versus the natural salt that you get from the ocean. So not only are you ingesting this synthetic salt, which would be terrible for someone with, say, high blood pressure to realize months down the road that they've been ingesting this synthetic salt, but also you're not getting nearly the amount of vitamins and minerals from the fake sea moss. There's also an easy way to tell if it's fake or real. So this is my real sea moss. You see how it's a nice tan golden color and the stems are thin. With your fake sea moss, after you soak it overnight, it will be a lighter color and the stems will be thicker. So you just really need to make sure that you're buying the real sea moss. Let's start with the sea moss that we have soaked overnight. I'm going to be going to the gym in a little bit, and it's so nice just to have a little extra kick of energy that lasts a long time. I find that it works much better than pre-workout. Pre-workout makes me all shaky and sometimes makes me crash, but this will give you energy for a long time and you don't get any crash effects at all. Also, I'm a bit anemic. I'm gonna add my berries. I'm a bit anemic, and the iron that is in sea moss, oops, lost one, really just helps me throughout the day. It keeps my energy levels high and so on. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And I love to add a little bit of organic agave. It is so yummy. I like my sea moss to be a little bit sweeter. You don't need much. Some people don't prefer it at all. It's really personal preference, but I do like a little bit of sweetness. So we have all of our ingredients, and now I'm gonna go blend it. I'll be right back. So this is the end result. I just put it in a little to-go cup so I can just bring it with me. So it was super easy, super quick, and then you have long-lasting results. And if you're really short on time, you can take a capsule that has the same benefits and results as what I've made here today. Enjoy.